Hello, welcome to Mathgist. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this equation. 4 raised to power s divided by 12 raised to power s is equal to 1. Solution. 4 raised to power s divided by 12 raised to power s is equal to 1. Remember this exponential rule that a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n is equal to a over b raised to power n. And here, 4 raised to power s over 12 raised to power s is equal to 1 is equal to 4 over 12 raised to power s is equal to 1. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 4 over 12 raised to power s is equal to log 1. S log 4 over 12 is equal to log 1. Let's divide both sides by log 4 over 12 divided by log 4 over 12. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 1 divided by log 4 over 12. But log 1 is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 divided by log 4 over 12. S is equal to 0. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power s divided by 12 raised to power s is equal to 1. When s is 0, this is 4 raised to power 0 divided by 12 raised to power 0 must be equal to 1. But 4 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Also, 12 raised to power 0 is equal to 1 from the exponential rule, from the law of indices. Therefore, 1 over 1 is equal to 1, which satisfies the equation given at s is equal to 0. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.